This is Kimberly Popper with Black River Technical College. I wanted to give you the different ways that you can set up your gradebook in Moodle. Really, at Black River, we have you set it up in one of two ways. Either you take all of your grades and divide by a total, or you'll use weighted grades and use categories. There are several different aggregation methods in Moodle, but we have you only use two of them. And some of them will calculate in a way that you don't actually intend for them to. I'm going to show you the two different ways that you need to set up your gradebook. The first way is either with weighted mean of grades or with simple weighted mean of grades. Those are the only two aggregation methods you'll ever use in this version of Moodle in 1.9. If all you want Moodle to do is take the total number of points a student has and divide by the total number of grades, then what you want to choose is simple weighted mean of grades. You do not choose sum of grades, and the reason for this is if you choose sum of grades and you ever decide to use a scale on a form or anything else, it won't be included at all in your grades. So always use a simple weighted mean of grades. It does exactly the same thing. So if you want to just take a student's total points and divide by the total points of the class, use simple weighted mean of grades. In this case, you don't have to weight anything. If you have 1,000 points in your class and a student has 660, you divide by 1,000, they've got a 66%. The other way is by using weights and categories. Now, if whenever you set up your course, you like a little bit of flexibility in your course, let's say that you intend to have 10 quizzes, but you may decide to not use 2 of them, or you may decide to add 2 later, or you may want to use 3 or 4 forums, or you may decide that you're not sure how many forums you want, use weighted grades. If you use weighted grades, then what you'll want to choose for your aggregation method is weighted mean of grades for the main category, and then here a little bit later I'll show you how to set up your other categories and what to do for those. But in general, weighted mean of grades is what you want to use for whenever you have weights or categories in your class.